Hello everyone, my name is Jaspal Singh and today I will show you 4925 truck chassis and also we will show you 4825 truck chassis. In 4825 there are 5 axles in which you will get 47.5 ton GVW in comparison with 4925 there is a GVW of 49 ton. This is a 6 axle truck in which you get 250 of HP, 6.7 liter of displacement of engine, and also you get 430 dia organic clutch, and also the tire size you will get 295 but 90 R20 radial tube tires you will get. And also in 4925 there are twin lift axles. These are one in center and one in the end. And in 4825 there is a single lifter axle which is placed on a center. This axle comes with a 12.5 ton of capacity around, and the price tag of 4925 is near about 41 lakh rupees. Only about chassis, the price tag of 4825 comes with a 42 lakh rupees. If you like the video, please press the like button and do subscribe our channel. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.